Hello everyone and welcome back to another lesson on our CompTIA A course. In this lesson, we're shifting gears from services and configurations to the physical side of networking. Whether you're building a home lab, supporting a business, or designing infrastructure in the cloud, knowing the role of each device, what it does, how it's used, and when to use it is crucial. So, let's break them down one by one. We'll start with one of the most important pieces, the router. A router is the traffic director of a network. It connects different networks together. Most commonly, your internal LAN to the external internet. When you send a request to visit a website, the router figures out where that traffic should go and how to get it there. Now, let's move on to the switch. While the router connects networks, the switch connects devices within the same network. Think of a switch as the internal communication hub. When you plug in your computers, printers, and IP phones into a switch, it directs traffic efficiently from device to device using MAC addresses. Next, we have access points. These devices extend a wired network wirelessly. In simple terms, they allow wireless devices like smartphones, tablets, and laptops to connect to the network over Wi-Fi. Now let's talk about the patch panel. This isn't a powered device, but it plays an essential role in network organization. A patch panel is a centralized cable management hub where all network cables from wall ports terminate. From the patch panel, short cables, called patch cords, are used to connect to switches. This setup makes managing and maintaining physical connections much easier, especially in large environments. Next up is the firewall. This device acts as the network's security guard. It inspects incoming and outgoing traffic and applies rules to allow or deny data packets based on security policies. Firewalls can be hardware-based, software-based, or a combination of both, and they help protect the network from threats, block unauthorized access, and segment traffic between trusted and untrusted zones. Finally, let's talk about Power over Ethernet. This isn't a standalone device, but rather a capability built into switches or added via injectors. Power over Ethernet allows Ethernet cables to deliver both power and data to devices like IP cameras, VoIP phones, and wireless access points. In summary, routers direct traffic between networks, switches connect internal devices, and access points bring Wi-Fi to the party. Patch panels keep cables organized, firewalls keep the bad guys out, and Power over Ethernet powers key devices through the same cables used for data. Thank you for joining us today, and see you soon.